Hello there, RACS students and families. This is Mrs. Zimmerman, one of our third grade teachers. And today I'm going to be showing you our favorite online reading resource. This comes directly from our reading program, which means that every single book in here is going to be perfectly aligned to what we are learning in school. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to type in arcbookshelf.com. Then your teacher should have provided to you your username and your password to log in. I'm going to recommend that you click the Remember Me box down here so that you don't have to retype all of this in every single time. And then you will just log in. I'm going to be showing you a couple of features. The first feature I'm going to show you is a feature that some people may use a lot and some people may not. It just depends on you and your needs. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom and look on this gray navigation boxes over here, right now it's clicked on Spanish. Yours should automatically be set to English, but just in case you're curious, you can toggle between books that are in English or books that are in Spanish. I'm going to stay in English for today. Now, all the way over on this left-hand side, you are also going to see our reading levels. All of the books are organized by their reading level. So if you are a 2R reader, then you will click on the 2R or 2 red tab. And there are all of these books that you could pick to read from. Let's see, maybe I want to read about big cars. I click on big cars and it will open this up for me. Now, this is your independent reading level. So you should be looking for books that you do not need any help reading, that as a student, you can read it completely by yourself without any help from a grown-up at all. Now, there are a couple of controls I want to show to you. The first one are these up here, which will change your view. So you can have this full screen, which is going to make it really, really big. I find that's a little bit too big for my computer. So I like to keep it on the 2 pages option. You could also have it to a single page. Up here, if there's a certain page that you want to go to, let's say I want to go to page 10, I will click up here, type in page 10, enter, and I can skip ahead to page 10. I can also switch between pages by clicking on these icons up here. I'm going to click to go to the next page. Read before minivans, people drove station wagons to carry a lot of people. The longest station wagons were Buick Estates. 3 roomy seats fit 9 people. Go to the next page, and when I'm all done reading, I will hit this close button up here. As of right now, you may or may not have been assigned or evaluated to see what your reading level is yet, and that's okay. If you don't know your reading level, you are welcome to click and go through any of these books and see which things you want to learn about that are interesting to you, and also what books you can read that are kind of easy, but maybe just a tiny bit challenging. These books are in order from our beginning reading levels or easier grade reading levels all the way down to the hardest ones. The white reading level is considered to be the 3rd grade reading level. Black would be 4th grade. And then red is 2nd. 2G through blue is 1st grade. And yellow through 1G is kindergarten. But we're all kind of working to see exactly where we are and where our interests lie. You are always welcome to read books that are not necessarily at your exact reading level, but make sure that you throw in a couple that are at your reading level so we can make sure that we are growing our brain without becoming too frustrated, but also without doing things that are way too easy. We want a little bit of everything. I hope that this is super duper helpful. Please start exploring these books, find out what your favorites are, and get back to your teacher to share what you've